So the kitten's been watching Roomba run all morning. Not on this part of the house, obviously. And now I want to clean its rollers before it finishes. She is defeating it. In her head, she killed Roomba. And now she is analyzing her kill. So those are the rollers, if you don't know. I mean, it's basic vacuum, but... So in the rollers, there's like string from playing with the cats, there's my hair, there's Steam's hair. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna clean. Look at all that stuff on there. Gross. So it'll be interesting when it restarts, because she's defeated him now. You gonna help me clean that, looks like? Yeah, take all that stuff off. That's what we're gonna do. She got a tag. Oops. She sits up. Her tag says rooster. All that bristles and just hair. That looks like a lot of Steam's hair because my hair is short right now. Probably some good dust in there too. Dusty place.